She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. You see, my mother doesn't love me. No, of course not. She wants to live, to love, to wear bright dresses. And here I am, 25 years old, and a constant reminder that she is no longer young. When I am not there, she is only 32, but when I am, she is 43, and for that, she hates me. Besides, she knows I don't accept the theatre. I mean, she loves the theatre. She thinks she is serving humanity and the sacred cause of art, while in my opinion, the theatre of today is hidebound and conventional. When the curtain goes up and in a room with 3 walls and artificial lights, those great geniuses, those priests of holy art, show me how to eat, drink, love, walk about, and wear their jackets. When from those banal scenes and phrases, they try to pluck some moral, some little moral that is easily grasped and suitable for domestic use. When in 1,000 variations I am served the same thing over and over again, then I flee as Maupassant fled from the Eiffel Tower, which made his brain reel with vulgarity.